Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook canned green beans. First, drain your can of green beans thoroughly, discarding all the packing liquid. Next, rinse the beans under cool running water for about 20 seconds. This removes any residual saltiness. Placing them in a colander makes this process quick and easy. This initial step helps ensure a fresher, less metallic taste for your delicious side dish. To begin cooking, place a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter to the pan. Once the oil shimmers or the butter melts, add your drained and rinsed green beans. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This process gently warms the beans and helps them absorb the flavors you are adding, creating a more appealing texture. For an extra layer of flavor, consider sautéing aromatics before adding the beans. Dice 1/4 of a small onion or mince 2 cloves of garlic. Sauté these in your chosen fat for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant and softened. Then, add your green beans to the pan, stirring to combine them with the delicious aromatics. This simple addition creates a much richer and more inviting taste. To further elevate your green beans, try incorporating savory elements. Cook 2 strips of bacon until crispy, then crumble them into the beans. You can also use 1 tablespoon of the rendered bacon fat for sautéing. Alternatively, stir in 1 pat of unsalted butter at the end of cooking. Both options add a wonderful richness and depth, making your green beans even more irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.